Let's set up your book cover template in Affinity. Go to the QinPrinting template page, choose your product, customize the size, page count, and paper, then download your free template. Inside the downloaded file, you'll find an instruction page and a template page. Open Affinity, click Open, and load the file. Select the template page, set DPI to 300 and color space to CMYK, then click OK. You'll see the template with bleed, trim, safety lines, and spine indicator marked out. Go to Document Setup and set the color profile to Japan Color 2001 coded. Then in the Layers panel, merge all layers. Now start designing. Make sure your images are 300 dpi or above. Extend backgrounds to the bleed line. And keep text and key content inside the safety line. Once done, hide the template layer and go to Export Gives PDF for print. Check the settings. 300 dpi, CMYK, no ICC embed, fonts embedded, then export. Finally, open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat to verify image resolution and font embedding. And you're ready to send to print.